Customer churn in manufacturing industry. Resolve your problem of customer churn with us. Our client, a global manufacturing company, is losing customers, impacting their revenue and growth. Addressing this is crucial for their sustainability. We provide a comprehensive solution to mitigate customer churn. Here's how. We segregate the data into different regions to analyze churn rates geographically. We identify regions with the highest churn rates to focus on understanding the underlying reasons for customer attrition. Our analysis revealed that North America has the highest churn rate, so we initially focus on this region. Drilling down into North America, we analyze the churn rate by country. The total number of years of ordered data. Identification of top churn products. And analysis of buying patterns. And customer churn at the enterprise level. Based on our analysis, several reasons for customer churn were identified, including low order frequency, high order delay percentage, infrequent ordering, and issues with specific sales channels. If churn had been controlled over the last 4 years, the company could have earned approximately $2 million more. By implementing our solution, manufacturers can better understand and address customer churn, leading to improved customer retention, increased revenue, and sustained business growth. Contact us for more details.